Met up with our colleague, who was eager to explain what he had in mind.
I'm making a simulated bushfire, the start of a bushfire, to demonstrate how quickly my roving fire engine could just put it out before it develops into something like a massive conflagration.
This bushfire, OK?
Yes?
Is going to start right next to a road.
Which happens to be next to where you've parked your fire engine.
I'm going to drive in and put it out.
But you know where it is, you've just started
I
it.
know, it's a demonstration, you morons!
It's 2.5 feet from a road. Bushfires happen miles out in the middle.
All right, go and build one out there then. It doesn't
Why
make
do we
any
do
difference.
That? Why don't we go and start a fire for him?
That's more realistic. Then you've got to travel to the fire, wherever we've started it, and put it out.
Off you go.
Having travelled a realistic distance from the road, we soon had a bushfire on the go.
Oh, hello, hello, hello. Yes.
That is speeding things up, isn't it?
Isn't it? There you go.
What it's doing is catching on. The wind moves it along and it gets bigger. It's quite good.
Brilliant.
What, another bit there, look.
Then we told James to come and do his stuff.
Relax, I am coming to put out the fire.
However, because of his leisurely pace, the fire had grown a bit by the time he got there.
Jeez. Pressure. It's too big! I've run out of water! This isn't going to work.
I think what we've established here is that he's only capable of putting out fires that he's started himself.
Yeah, that are nearby
Yeah.
and contained.
Yeah.
I haven't got anything left.
Luckily, at this point, the real fire brigade arrived.
Thank you.